Hey there, makeup enthusiasts. So, we're keeping up with the trend of fall makeup. And so, today I want to share with you how to achieve a smolder amber eyes with a twist. I think I'm going to add a little twist to it. So, stay tuned and keep watching. I feel like fall is the perfect time to experiment with bold and dramatic looks. And I feel like smoky amber eyes is a perfect way to make that statement. So we're gonna go back in with our fantasy palette from Prism Makeup. And I'm gonna deal with these shades here. I'm going to be messing with these two shades here. These two shades on the bottom and this one on the side, and maybe even a brown color. So let's get started. So I already added my eyebrows, my concealer, corrector, eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna apply the tape. Remember to stick it on your hands so we don't take off, well, so we take off some of the sticky and then apply it to our face. So let's start off with an amber medium shade all over the eyelid. And if you're not sure what an amber color is, it's a mix of yellow and orange colors with like a golden undertones, brownish tint to it. And don't be shy, you really want to pack on this color. Now I like to go ahead and blend that first color, the edges of it, so that we get a nice seamless effect when we add the other colors to it. Now go ahead and add a deeper amber shade to the outer corner of your eye and into the crease. The key here is to blend, blend, blend until it looks seamless. Then grab a more deeper, intense amber shade, or you can even go ahead and take a brown color and work that into the outer corner and into the crease. Now we're going to blend again, of course. Okay, so I want to take this look one step further. I'm taking another deeper shade of amber in on a more dome-shaped brush. I'm going to place that the same way I placed the other two colors on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend for that seamless effect. Now, if you want, you can add an extra pop and add a touch of shimmery gold to the center of your lid. But of course, we are going to blend. Okay, so here I'm grabbing a black eyeliner, but you can go ahead and grab a brown one if you like. And you want to smudge it on your lash line, your upper lash line. Don't worry, messy is good. We're going for sultry, so smudge it out so you can get that really smoky effect. So I grabbed this brown shade to help me smudge out the liner further. So if you want, you can do that as well. I also later on go in with a more like pencil shaped brush to further help me blend that out because I realized that this brush is not blending too well. So I later on switch it up. Now you ladies know I love to tightline. So that's what I'm doing here. So here I'm taking a brown eyeliner and I'm going to place that in the bottom waterline to get that really smolder look. Now we're adding those top colors and we're bringing them down to the bottom lash line. Now go ahead and add mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now gonna be taking this highlighter here from Kate Voss and I'm gonna be placing that in the inner corner of my eyes and on the brow bone. Now you can leave the look just like this. It'll look perfect, just beautiful. But I'm gonna take it up a step further and I'm gonna add a little twist to it. I'm taking my water activated liners and I'm gonna be adding like some little leaves to the end and to the inner corner of my eyes. I'll just be adding like a little piquito. Thank you for tuning in and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe for more makeup tutorials. And until next time, keep experimenting and have fun with your makeup. Ciao. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe for more makeup tutorials. And until next time, keep experimenting and have fun with your makeup. Ciao.